Okay, welcome back. Humana ang problem number 6, which wala nagkadima o algebra. We now go to problem number 7. So, we go to problem number 7. Okay, problem number 7 is, we are asked to find the limit of g of x raised to the power of 4 as x approaches to negative 2. So, unsa to ang general strategy ani? So, control C. Control V. Okay. This is problem number 7. Now, to solve this problem is, first, tanaw na to, unsa pasipot aning g of x raised to the power of 4, no? So, ato sa tanawon, ang g of x mangod, g of x raised to the power of 4 is pareso na siya sa g of x times g of x times g of x times g of x kaupat siya nga kaupat siya multiply to itself, no? Pero ang problema na to driya is kung moadto ta sa tuang theorems nga atong gipanggamit last time sa tuang previous nga first video about limits, so about limits. Ang atoang theorem is gi-apply lang siya sa duha lang ka function, f of x times g of x lang. So kaning f of x diri pwede na to ni pulihan og g of x. So nakay the limit of g of x times g of x is just the same as the limit of g of x times the limit of g of x, no? So ang problema to diri is duha lang siya. Duha lang ka function. While ang diri asa to ang problem is upat ka buok. So ang strategy ani is ato ni siyang grupuhon. So igrupo na to ning duha ka g of x diri. Isa ni siya ka grupo, diri. Dayon isa pud siya ka grupo diri. Pag magrupo na nato ni, mahimo din siya og butang nato pangalan nato siya f of x. Yakan ni pangalan nato siya og h of x. Tungod kay duha naman lang ni kabuok, pwede na nato i-apply dayon tong theorem 7.4. Human na apply sa theorem 7.4, i-apply na pud nato ang theorem 7.4 sa kada isa nila sa f of x ug kang h of x. Dayon makuha na din nato ang general nga, makuha na din nato ang solution. So unsaon? So atong buhaton na ni is mag-sketch na lang sa tuang strategy or sa tuang plano. Okay, so ni so sketch. Ang limit ni g of x raised to the power of 4 as x approaches to negative 2 is the same as the limit as x approaches to negative 2 of product ni, multiply ni mo si g of x to itself 4 times. Kani. Dayon, natong buhaton is ato siyang i-groupings nga tinagduha. Okay? Then, mahimo na ni siya og limit as x approaches to negative 2 of g of x times g of x. Kani siya. I-multiply dayon ni muna siya sa limit ni g of x times g of x, no? As x approaches to negative 2. Sorry. Nga dayon, ang imong reason ani is, ang ato ang reason ani is theorem, so itong theorem na nag-involve og product. Theorem 7.4. Theorem 7.4. And then again, pwede na po na to i-apply ang Theorem 7.4 sa kani nga grupo ug sa kani pod nga grupo. So, mahimo na dahil na siya og limit ni g of x as x approaches to negative 2 times limit ni g of x as x approaches to negative 2 times kato na pong pikas grupo limit ni g of x as x approaches to negative 2 times limit ni g of x as x approaches to negative 2. So in fact, imong gimultiply ang limit ni g of x as x approaches to negative 2 to itself 4 times. So this is equal to the limit of g of x as x approaches to negative 2 raised to the power of 4. So, ang mahitabo dahil is, ang kinahanglan lang nato is, kung makabalo ta sa limit ni g of x as x approaches to negative 2, ato lang siyang i-raise to 4, muna dahil to ato ang solution. So, ikan dira na, magbuhat na rin sa ito ang solution. So, solution. Step 1. Step 1, the limit of g of x as x approaches to negative 2. This is equal to the limit of x minus 2 as x approaches to negative 2. And this is equal to negative 2 minus 2, which is equal to negative 4. Okay? Ngayon, sa step 2, katong Theorem 7.4, repeated use of Theorem 7.4 by using, or by Theorem 7.4. So, i-repeat lang na ito siya, Repeated use. Tama ba akong English, ani? By Theorem 7.4, the limit of g of x as x approaches to negative 2 raised to siya sa 4. This is the same as the limit of g of x as x approaches to negative 2 raised to 4, and this is equal to negative 4 raised to 4, and this is equal to 4 raised to 4. And then 4 raised to 4 is, wala ko kabalo, 16 times 16, no? So, calculator na lang ito eh. Kalabag calculator. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. This is equal to 256. So, let us try to find if makita na to ng number na 256 at least. So, in fact, na ay 256 ta, which is letter B. So, that is letter B. The solution is letter B, 256. Next is, we go to problem number 8. So, problem number 8. Let's go to problem number 8. Now, ang kaning problem number 8 na to, is nag-involve siya og composition. Si G, decompose kang F. So, lahi na nga pamaagi ang gamito na to, ani. So, nag-involve ni siya og medyo heavy na nga math. Pero algebra ra ni siya. Problem number 8. Okay. Ato sang i-simplify ang G composed with f of x. So, pwede na tayo dito sa direct solution. Ang G of f of x is the same as f of x minus 2. Okay? Kaya ang f of x na to, may gi-substitute na to sa note. Kaya nga to ang G of x is equal to x minus 2. So, meaning, G of f of x, ang gipuli na to kang x is f of x. And then, ang ato ang f of x is x squared plus 4x plus 4. Subtract na to ang 2. So, this is just x squared plus 4x plus 2. Okay? Hence, the limit of g of f of x as x approaches to 1 is just the same as the limit as x approaches to 1 of x squared plus 4x plus 2. And since this is a polynomial, we just substitute the number 1 through all the variables x. So nakakay 1 squared plus 4 times 1 plus 2. And this is equal to 7. So as it turns out, sayon raday siya. 7 lang ang solution. So panghitaon na to na by number 7. So letter E. So letter E is the number 7. Yeah, solution. Okay. Next problem is kani. Ito na siya i-open sa Paint. And then, kopya ko na to ng problem number 9. Okay. Control C. Kani nag-involve na siya o medyo heavy nga math. Medyo lang. Okay. So, ang nahitabuan is gibahin na to ang real number into 2 parts. Katong mga real number nga less than or equal to negative 4 o katong mga real number nga greater than negative 4. So, kay bali, magbuhat sa kitang sketch para makabalutag ko sa itong ginahimo, no? So, kung naadri ang 0, buta na to naadri ang negative 4, ang mahitabo karon is, gibahin na to ang atuang R. Mo man yan, setable real numbers. Kung ang imong R is naadri nga interval, ang imong gamiton kay f of x. Unya, kung ang imong R ay imong x kay naanidri nga interval, ang gamiton nimo is g of x. So, ang question karon is, kani ba nga to ang problem 9 dili ko dapat sulti continuous, sorry. Ang limit ba na niya as x approaches to negative 4 kay nag-exist? Now, kung ang imo ganing problem kay point-wise, I mean piecewise siya, piecewise. Ang meaning sa piecewise is i-define ang imong function into two or more parts. So sa diri nga case, ang atuang function is i-define into 2 parts, f of x o g of x, depende kung asa nabutang nga interval atuang x. So ang atuang asa siya nabahin, diri nabahin siya sa negative 4. Then ang pangutana kung ang limit ba ani nga pagka-define nga piecewise function kay nag-exist as x approaches to negative 4. So ang atong buhaton ani is magkwanta duha ka cases na ang gamiton ani. Okay. Kung mangutana mong good ka, unsay limit sa imong function as x approaches to negative 4, pares ra nga sa nangutana ka og asa padulong ang imuhang function kung ang imuhang mga number nga x's kay magkaduol kang negative 4 gikan sa left. Og asa padulong ang imuhang function kung ang imuhang mga x's kay magpadulong kang negative 4 gikan sa right. Okay? Dayon, ang limit, panganlan na to nga function as h of x. Ang limit ni h of x as x approaches to negative 4, mag-exist lang ni siya if and only if ang iyang left o right hand limit nag-exist, no? So, if and only if nag-exist unya equal. So, the limit of h of x as x approaches to negative 4 from the left is equal to the limit of h of x as x approaches to negative 4 from the right. Okay. So, muna siya ang ato ang static. Kani nga result ang ato ang ganiton. So, kung dili equal, no? I-reason na lang kay makalabad og ulo. Uy! Ito ang isa na ito balik. Pagka. Okay. The limit sa tuwang function h of x as x approaches to negative 4 exists if and only if the limit sa tuwang h of x as x approaches to negative 4 from the left is equal to the limit of h of x as x approaches to negative 4 from the right. So, resolve na siya. So, gamit na siya. Consider na tawag solution. So, solution. Let h of x be the function defined as, katong nasa to ang problem, f of x kung si x na to is less than negative 4, and g of x kung si x na to is greater than negative 4. Ano na to? Tama ba? Okay. So, step 1. Ang limit sa tuwang h of x as x approaches to negative 4 from the left is equal to the limit as x approaches to from the left man ta. Approaches to negative 4 from the left of what? Piecewise man itong function. Now, according diri sa to ang definition, kung ang imong x is less than or equal to negative 4, meaning naa siya sa wala sa 4, no? Naa siya diri, oh. Naa diri. Kung ang imong mga x kay naa sa wala sa negative 4, ang gamiton nimo nga function is f of x according diri sa to ang drawing sketch. So, mahitabo is f of x man, taras na siya diri sa f of x. Okay? Dayon, unsa ato ang f of x? Ang ato ang f of x is x squared plus 4x plus 4, and then as x approaches to negative 4 from the left. Now, ang katong one-sided limits is para sa to siya og mga laws or theorems sa katong usual nga mga limit na to. So, kay polynomial man ang x squared plus 4x plus 4, pwede rin na to i-distribute. Pwede rin i-substitute ang negative 4. So, na kay negative 4 squared plus 4 times negative 4 plus 4. So, this is equal to 16. Negative 16 plus 4. So, this is equal to 0. So, this is equal to 4. So, from the left ni negative 4, ang ato ang value is 4. So, how about kung ang ato ang x is from the right? So, the limit of h of x as x approaches to negative 4 from the right. According to sa tuwang definition sa tuwang h of x, kung si x nimo is from the right ni negative 4, meaning mas dako siya kang negative 4, ang imong gamiton nga function is g of x. So, makita na siya diri. Kung ang imong x kay naa diri nasa tuo ni 4, ang gamiton nimo nga function is g of x. So, g of x ato ang gamiton diri. So, this is equal to the limit of g of x as x approaches to negative 4 from the right. Then, so this is equal to the limit of x minus 2 as x approaches to negative 4 from the right. And again, ang limit sa one-sided, ang mga theorem sa one-sided limits is para sa sa katong limit sa mga usual. So, pwede rin na ito i-substitute ang negative 4. So, na kay negative 4 minus 2. So, this is equal to negative 6. So, dili equal ang duha, no? So, step 2. From the limit of h of x as x approaches to negative 4 exists if and only if the limit of h of x as x approaches to negative 4 from the right is equal to the limit of h of x as x approaches to negative 4 from the left. Gikan ani nga establish na nga result, we have that the limit sa atuang function, no, as x approaches to negative 4 of f of x as if x is less than or equal to negative 4, and g of x if x is greater than negative 4 does not exist. Does not exist. Since the one-sided limits does not coincide. Since the one-sided limits of h of x does not coincide, or do not maguro kay duha man coincide. Okay, does not exist. So in fact, na siya sa tuwang choices. Kani, letter G does not exist. Okay. Next problem. Naman din siya sa paper. Next problem is kaning sum pero nag-involve na siya og exponential function. So control C. Ani ta dire. Control V. Okay. Makuan baka na siya. Masolve baka na siya. So natay sum, no? Limit sa sum ni f of x as x approaches to 3. Kunya ang pikas kay limit ni 2 raised to the power of g of x as x approaches to 4. Okay. This is problem number 10. Okay, saan siya pag-solve? So, atong solution ani is katong gisulti na to nga pag ang imong function kay continuous, ang imurang buhaton is imurang i-substitute diretso ang 4. And then exponential functions are continuous man. So, exponential functions are continuous. Okay, tinood na siya. Kunya, kung continuous, if g of x, dito ay g of x, kahit g of x, sabihin, higamit doon. If, buta na to, if h of x is continuous, no, then the limit of h of x as x approaches to a is the same as h of a. Kanira to ang gamiton nga result. So exponential functions are continuous, and then if h of x is continuous, then the limit of h of x as x approaches to a is equal to h of a. So solution. So first, pangitawon sa nato ang limit ni f of x. So step 1, the limit of f of x as x approaches to 3 is the same as the limit of x squared plus 4x plus 4 as x approaches to 3. So this is equal to 9 plus 12 plus 4. This is equal to 25. Next is the limit of the function 2 raised to the power of g of x as x approaches to, asa to siya? 4. As x approaches to 4, so this is equal to the limit of the function 2 raised to the power of x minus 2 as x approaches 4. Now, so nato again na ang exponential functions are continuous. So 2 raised to the power of x minus 2 are continuous functions. So this is equal to 2 raised to the power of the limit as x approaches to 4 of x minus 2. So this is equal to 2 times the limit sa x minus 2 as x approaches to 4. So this is just equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2 raised to 2. And then 2 raised to 2 is of course equal to 4. So step 2, atong i-combine the limit of f of x as x approaches to 3 plus the limit of 2 raised to the power of g of x as x approaches to 4 is equal to sum 25 plus 4, which is equal to 29. And that number, kay naa na siya sa tuang column B, which is letter C, 29. So that's it. No? So, kung may nakita nga mali, sulti lang. Atong sulayan na siya og solve. Okay, wala dito na to. Na-solve ba na to ning number 5 nga ang square root kay naa sa numerator? Okay, dali ra ning number 5. Doon ako mo ni siya ang 7/3. Okay, thank you and see you sa next nga problem na pod.